fiery, savory, smoky chicken, packed with flavor. This is going to be a recipe you're going to want to save. Fiery Korean chicken. Easy to make on your grill or smoker. You're not going to want to share this one. Hey guys, I'm Brad Prose. Welcome to my channel. If you're here for new ideas about grilling or barbecue, click subscribe below and let's get into it. Today we're talking about fiery Korean chicken. It's so juicy, it's so spicy and savory. This is like the least boring chicken that I could think of. There's really only a couple steps. I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken and some tricks. We're going to make a spicy baste using gochujang and some other ingredients. Then we're going to smoke it, baste it some more, and sear it so it's got some nice crisp edges, give you some texture. So let's get to prepping. All right, so here we have the chicken. And as you can see, it's still a whole chicken. I haven't cut it up. What we're gonna do today is spatchcock it, which means that we're going to remove the backbone here, and then we're going to flatten it where the breastbone is so that it lays out flat and can cook evenly. There's really two ways to do this, but most people do. What they normally do is that you'll either use really nice shears. These are ones from Ergo Chef that I like to use that are really sharp. You want some strong ones because you're going to need to cut through the bone back here. Or you can use a chef's knife too. And it's really up to your preference. You just need to make sure that you've got a really sharp knife or really sharp shears to be able to cut through this backbone. And that's the first step. And the best way to do that to start is to find the tail here, and you'll actually cut up along the edge of the tail all the way to where the neck is on both sides. So here I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to make an incision here and an incision here, almost as a guide. Okay. Okay, this is the backbone. I'm supposed to tell you to keep this so that you can use this for stock. So it's up to you. Okay, now that we've got the backbone removed, you can see that the breastbone is right here. Again, I'll flip this over so you can see. Here's the breast. And if we flip it, here's the breastbone. And this is really the second step. So to flatten it, we need to break this. The easiest way to do it is to just take your chef's knife, jam it in the middle a little bit, flip it over. That's going to mean that you're going to break it evenly. And then what I do is just grab a paper towel or a kitchen towel, just break it. There you go. Nice and flat chicken. Let's go ahead and make the baste that we'll paint onto the chicken now, which starts with that gochujang, some sesame oil, some rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, a little bit of orange juice for an acidic kick, and then last, just a pinch of salt. And then we'll go ahead and whisk this together carefully. And then you just want it to be a nice thin consistency so that you can paint it on. Okay, now that the chicken's flat, we're going to take the base that we made earlier and we're just going to brush it all over both sides of the chicken generously. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that both sides of the chicken have been basted, we're going to go ahead and throw this on the smoker. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna trim this. All right, let's cut into this. Wow, it's so juicy. I can smell all the chilies, the citrus coming right off. I'm not even gonna wait. I'm gonna try this piece right here. The flavors are so good. They're really smoky, really spicy, savory. The chicken's so juicy, and it just gets that perfect char in the skin. I love it. I can't wait to use it in a bunch of dishes. I'm a wing man. Smoke a chicken, grab a wing, and join me. Hope you guys really like this recipe. If you did, click subscribe below, and cheers.